vlog in like so long, but I am in Oahu, Hawaii right now. I know I didn't make a vlog or anything talking about it, but we did this for like my birthday. Came here to this hidden beach for sunrise. It's not this beach. This is like a locals beach. Not many people know about it, but over here is where the hidden beach is. So I'm gonna walk through the water, get over there and check out this amazing view. It's actually really pretty slippery with all the algae and stuff. There's a bunch of crab over here too. So actually, let me put my wallet in my pocket. Oh, it's actually really warm for this time of the year. And oh wow, that's dope. Let me take a picture of this. Check this out.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
So this natural made pool is really nice, really cool. I like it right here. Right here is Obama's house that's being made. There was actually a protest. So in Hawaii, these seawalls protesting about not building more seawall because it erodes the beaches and ruins the beaches or whatever. So that's the thing going on in around Obama's house. So you can just Google it yourself. Google Obama House Hawaii protest or something, and you'll see all about it. But this little sea glass right here, that would make for a nice picture. If you can see that. See that sea glass? That'll make for a nice picture. But anyways, yeah, this place is really amazing. You get the backdrop of the cliffs right there. Then you got the mountains over there. You got an island over here. Palm trees everywhere. And today we're actually going to this probably one of the best hikes. So guys, I officially rank this as one of my top beaches of all time that I've ever been to. We just got back to Waikiki. Well, I just got back to Waikiki. We went up by the pool, took some pictures. Now I'm on the strip. Gotta find some breakfast before we head to the hike, because you need some energy. You need to get your energy before a hike. So that means you need to eat. McDonald's. I don't want McDonald's. Just met up with my cousin Brandon, who I haven't seen in like, how long?
Probably like 12 years.
A long time. He is stationed in Hawaii, he's in the military. But we're at, what is it called? Olamana hike. And it's like 2,000 feet elevation, 4 miles, ropes and stuff. So we're in for an adventure. So I don't know how long it's gonna take. Probably a few hours. I'll meet you at the top. There's 3 different peaks. It's called Olamana Trail, but the nickname is 3 Peaks. So there's 3 different peaks that you have to go up. Well, you don't have to go up, you can choose. There's 3 different paths that you can choose from. So we went right, and hopefully this leads us to the promised land. We made it past the mini rock climbing. Now we got the ropes that we have to scale up.
What?
I'll be behind you so I can push you up. You can grab one of these vines. Whoa. Oh, you don't even need to use the rope. You can do it.
We're at 1,005 elevation gain.
1,005. We're
Yeah.
pretty high. I'm not gonna show you guys the view yet, but go.
1,005.
Go, 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 go. Look at Brandon's all the way at the top already. Pretty crazy. Straight up. So now we came to the final spot. We have to rock climb straight up. We got this. We just hiked down. It's so humid and hot. We just got down to the car. Now we're waiting on Brandon because we're going to go to the North Shore, which we haven't been to yet. We're going to grab something to eat. And I ruined, no, I don't know if I ruined, but I messed up my new shorts because they're cheaply made. But yeah, we're going to go to the North Shore. Just got back to the room. We had a really fun day doing that crazy hike. But tomorrow, and you're back. Tomorrow we're going kayaking to a little island and we're gonna hike that, and then we're gonna go swimming at some beach. So stick around. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe for more videos. Make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow. It should be a cool day. Let me know what you thought about the footage, and I will see you tomorrow. This is the Life of Mike.